Alright, what's going on, everybody? JV. About to do a quick video for a young lady that asked me to do an install, how to put together the perfect crunch. So disassembled mine. We're gonna put it together. I'm not gonna mention the young lady's name because I don't want to say it wrong and look like a, you know, that kind of dude and not that kind of dude. So, but she knows who she is. This is for her. So, took it apart, got 1 piece, 2 piece, 3, 4 pieces, 4 screws, and in the box it came with a tool. I don't have that tool anymore, so I have a giant flathead screwdriver. Alright, so first, we're gonna take this piece right here, which is the piece without the red on it, and we're gonna slide on the cloth. I don't know if it came with the cloth on it, but we're just gonna slide on the cloth. So it has a B and an A, and we're just gonna slide it on. I think you gotta slide both sides at the same time, if I remember correctly. So let's do that. Alright, slide it all the way down. There's a piece down here with some Velcro. I'm gonna wrap it around. And boom. Looks like that. Done. Alright. Now we got the red piece. Now we got the handles. Alright, so A and B. On the handles is A and a B. So we're gonna match up A to A. That's like so. And we're gonna take the screw, like so. And we're gonna screw it in. One side. We're gonna take B to B. Another screw. That's done. We're gonna take handles here and flip it over. It's gonna go like so. Slide it in. Slide it in. Kinda gotta make sure you do it at the same. There you go. And boom. Screw. Only 4 screws, so it's pretty simple. Gonna screw that one in. And we're gonna screw the last screw in. Go. See? Perfect crunch, assembled. Hope the video helps. Any other videos you want to see, holla at me, let me know. Alright, JV signing out. Peace.